Hello guys, and welcome to another Wizard Watch video. Today we're going to show you the Phoibos Proteus. This is the black dial version. So before we start, if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications on. Then you can get future updates about upcoming videos. So let's open the box. Inside we get typical Phoibos box. The black one. Let's open it up. Inside we have the international warranty card, the watch repair application, instruction manual that getting bigger and bigger with every new release. And here our watch. Let's move all these things aside. And boom. So as always, we first start talking about the movement. Inside we get the familiar Seiko NH35. This movement doing 6 beats per second. We get 24 joules, 41 hours of power reserve, dial shock system, hacking and winding, date window, Seiko magic lever. The accuracy rating is plus 40 seconds, minus 20 seconds per day. And the accuracy test for this piece doing minus 5 seconds per day. Let's move now to specification. We get stainless steel case, nicely machined, with thin high polished bevels over here, and here too. We get screw down back case, 3D stamped, Phoibos, and 300 meters. We get screw down crown, sign also, as we already saw. We get 3 folded clasp with the Phoibos logo also. No push button release. Get milled clasp with solid links, solid end links. We get here, try to show you, we get screw pins over here. We get 4 micro adjustment, and we get very nice bracelet for what we pay. We get matte dial with black color and grainy texture. Looks really nice and also play very well with the light. We get double dome sapphire crystal with 3 layers of inner coating. The inner coating it's better because you cannot scratch the coating, because the coating is from inside and not from outside. We get 15 layers of Super Luminova C3 and BGW9, hands, indices, bezel and chapter ring. We get 120 clicks unidirectional bezel. The action is kinda nice, a little bit stiff, but still very nice. As you see, easy to grab and to rotate, no problems at all. We get 300 meters of water resistant, and we get 2 years of warranty. Let's move now to dimensions. The weight of the watch is 200 grams. we get case size of 42. The lug to lug is 49. The thickness is 14, and the strap size is 22. Okay, let's have a reshot now. And boom. So as you see, the watch sits nice to my 6.8 inch wrist. Although this watch is kind of chunky, it doesn't feel big. Doesn't feel big at all. Sits very nice on the wrist, as you see. Not high, not that high at all. Really like the design of this case. As I said, it's kind of chunky, so it's or you like it or you hate it, and I like it. As you see, below the bone and above the bone. Very nice. Okay, let's remove the watch now. Now we'll have outdoor shot, then we get back here. Now we can see the watch under the sun. You can see the finishing on the case, nicely machined. Also on the bracelet, get a nice bracelet for the money, and we can see the reflections that we get from the glass and the ceramic bezel. Very nice. Now we can see the watch again on my 6.8 inch wrist. Sits very close to the arm. Very comfy in my opinion. Although he have a little bit weight, but still wears very good on the wrist. And I really like that Milgus style second hand. Really nice. And then we're back. Now we'll have Lume shot. Let's kill the lights. And as you see, the watch being charged from the studio light, and these are the results. The results are pretty damn nice. Let's boost the watch up to show the Lume in its full glory. And boom. Amazing. I really like how Phoibos designed the Lume over here, with the chapter ring and the bezel and the hands. Everything glows really well. In this part, Phoibos will never disappoint you. You always will get watch with a good Lume. And also here, very nice. We can see that the hands glowing a bit better than the indices and the bezel and the chapter ring. Let's give it another boost. Crazy. Crazy. I'm a Lume addict. I cannot help that. Okay, so as we see, we have a crazy Lume over here. Let's turn on the lights now. Okay guys, so this was the Phoibos Proteus This watch cost around $255 to $300. It depends if you bought this watch with a coupon. I bought this watch with the coupon, so I paid $255 for the price I paid. This is a great watch and I really like it. You get original design, very bulky, from the design of the case, the bezel, everything. This watch is a chunky watch, but on the wrist it doesn't feel big or something like this, or heavy. It feels really great. So you get very nice design, great specs, this watch doing good timing, so we can't ask more than more than that. I just have two complaints. The first one is the end link, as you see over here. I wish they would design it better to fit more nicely to the case, although it's not that bad, but it's just a matter of a aesthetic look. And the second one is the finishing on the bracelet. I think they are a little bit too sharp. Of course it's not gonna cut you or something like this, but they could make it better and more comfortable on the wrist. So in that point we get nice bracelet. It's not a bracelet in a strap coat quality or something like this, but it's a nice bracelet for the money. So that's it, guys. I hope you're enjoying this review. Please, if you can, like and subscribe to this channel. It would help a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.